Good morning friends, this is the third video in this series, and this will be the end of the module 1, and in this lecture we are going to cover 4 sketch exercises. So this is the first exercise. We will locate the origin point at this location, and first we will draw a 2-point rectangle, then complete all the 5 circles, then complete the shape and dimension and constrain it. So that will be the procedure. So you right click here, create new component, and turn on the origin here. Select the top plane, that is XY plane. You can either select from here or you can go here and select here, that is also possible. Right click, create a sketch, then select the 2-point rectangle, click on the origin, then this height is 120 and length is 100. 120, press tab key and type the value as 100. 100, enter. Now you can draw circles. Simply draw circles anywhere. Now you can give equal constraint, equal. Select these 2 circles here, like this. Everything you can give. Then what is the diameter? Diameter is 25 holes. So give diameter as 20. If you observe the drawing carefully, you can see that this center point and this center point are vertically aligned, and this center point, this center point and this center point are vertically aligned. So what we are going to do is we are going to use this constraint, horizontal, vertical, then click the one of the center point and another center point. You can do in this process is you can click 2 points only in one selection. Again you can do this. So once again this. Now you can check for horizontal constraint. You can see that this point and this point aligned horizontally. This point and this point are aligned horizontally. So same thing here, horizontal. This also horizontal. Now we can draw the remaining lines. Here a cut is there, another 2 lines here that we will cover, then we will give the dimensions. So draw the line passing through. When the green tick mark appears, you can slightly zoom it, then click again here, make this line here, then you can trim the unwanted portions, trim this. So once again that dimension, while I am trimming, the dimension got deleted, so you have to give once again that dimension, that is, this is 100. And one more thing, if you notice in this drawing, you can see that this edge and this center is aligned horizontally. Similarly this edge and this edge are aligned horizontally. So you give that also under this constraints, horizontal, vertical, here also. Now you have to give all the dimensions. What are the dimensions here? So from this corner point 20 and 20, this also 20, so that also we will align vertically. This from here to here also this. Now you can give the dimensions. This is 20 and here also this is 20 and this is 40 from this center to this center 40, from here to here it is 60, from this center to this center it is 40, then to this center it is 60, this is 100, so from here to here it's 100, this is 100. Now if you look at this drawing carefully, here also 40 is there, then this edge it is 70. So from here to this end point it is 70. And also you can note one more point is that this point and this point aligned vertically. So go to this constraint, select this point and this point. So now you can see that this sketch is fully constrained with all the dimensions. So we'll do another next exercise. Again right click, new component, then turn on the origin, then select the XY plane, right click, create a sketch. Once again we will start with this origin one. This is much more simpler drawing compared to the previous one. So this is my origin point and length of the rectangle is 100 by 100 square, 100 by 100. So select the corner point, 2-point rectangle and give 100, press tab key and give the value as 100. Then you can simply draw circles. So 3 circles here, 1, 2, 3, and here this is vertically aligned and these 3 holes are equal. You can use equal. Then and give this dimension as 20. And one more thing, this is horizontal vertical. So this shape we have to make one line, 2, 3 lines. Here also one line. Trim, first of all you can trim it, then later we will give once again the dimension here, so that dimension disappeared. Once again you can give the dimension as 100. Now 20, 30 and 60. 20, 30, 60. Give those dimensions. $20, $30, $60 is given. This is 20 and 60. $20, $20, $60 and $75. $20, $60, and from here to here it is 75. Now in the y direction, if you look at 20, from here to here 60. So this is 20, and from here to here it is 60. $40, $70, $20. $40, $70, and from here to here it is 20. Now you can see that the sketch is fully constrained. Finished sketch. You can save it. Next is this figure. So for this we are going to use a new approach that will use this hole as our hole in our origin point, and just to draw a line, then mirroring it. Create sketch. Draw a center line, then make it construction line. Draw a line like this, then go to here, create mirror, select this line, then go to here, mirror line, select this line, then OK. Now you can join this. This also we will join here. The next we'll make fillet. Let us look at the drawing once again. R10 typical. Fillet. Now use concentric, this and this concentric, then OK. Die 10. This is die 10. Now this dimension 30, 30 and 45. So we'll draw circle here. Then make equal. It's 30, 30. Now we can once again make this horizontal vertical, this horizontal vertical, and can make the symmetry, this point and the center line. Now this sketch also fully constrained. Finish sketch. Now the last exercise, that is this figure. We will make a rectangle, that is center rectangle. So what is the size? Size is 160 by 90. 160 by 90. Select the top line, create a sketch. Go here. You can see that here there are 2-point rectangle, 3-point rectangle and center rectangle. So this time we are going to use this center rectangle. Then click the origin point and give the value as 90. Press tab key and give 160. So this is the rectangle here, 160 by 90. Then for this figure you can complete this very easily. So we need a center line here, another one more center line here. So how to make that? You can select the line command, click here, draw a small line here, again one more line in this direction also. You can select this line and press X, click on the screen, again select the line, press X and click on the screen. Now here if you look at the figure, it is symmetric about the axis, so we need to make only the half portion here. Then you can mirror the other side also. So what I am going to do is I am going to draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lines. right? 6 lines, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Look at carefully. 1 2 3 4 5 6, right? Now this I want to make it horizontal vertical with the line, so this line and this point horizontal vertical. Now we are going to mirror it. Mirror, you can double click on this line, so you will get the loop selected, then go to mirror line and select the center line, then OK. Similarly, now you can draw and join this portion here, and let us do one more thing. We will make equal everywhere, so this line and this line equal, this line and this line make it equal, this line and this line, let us make it equal. Now same thing, mirror, double click on this end, then go to select this line, select this, then OK. Now draw and join the end portions here also. Now you can give this total dimension as 70. Go to dimension, so there's 70. One more thing, if it is moving here and there, you can give horizontal vertical, this point and this point horizontal vertical. Now so this is 7 into 20, so this also will be 20. Can give here 20. This also 20, 30. So what this dimension is, this is 30. Now you can see that this sketch also fully constrained. So this is the procedure. So I'm going to end this module 1 lecture series. You can in the next module we will be starting simple modeling exercises. Okay, thank you.